Terminal B. This is where we got dropped off. Transportation. So this is floor 3. This is the center atrium. There's the Hyatt. Terminal B, floor 3, with the center atrium. There's the Disney store right across, the American flag. And the hotel is directly across the Hyatt Regency. We go right through these doors. You catch the elevators up to the 4th floor. That's the registration check-in for the hotel. It tells you guest elevators and registration lobby deck 4 or level 4. Off, and here's the registration for the Hyatt Regency on level 4. So you can just check in right here, and then the elevators are right behind you, and you just take those up to the floor depending on your room. So we're heading up to the 6th floor. They also have McCoy's restaurant, and they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and go. Getting up on floor 6, and we're in room 6010. Here we go. Room 6010 on the 6th floor of the Hyatt Regency. Oh, looks like we got automatic doors. Come right in. Got a full-length mirror. That was an automatic door opener. You got the emergency evacuation information on the back of the door, as always. To the right is the restroom. Like a little frosted window. Oh, nice bathroom, big spacious bathroom. Got the sink, and you got your tub shower combination with curtains. Like you got body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And also we have same brand, look like some body lotion, towels, soap. Then you have the toilet area, big bathroom. You come out. Like you have some hooks here that you can hang things. You have the open closet with a few hangers. A couple of drawers. Okay, you have an ironing board and an iron. That's great. When you come on in, like you have a king size bed, thermostat, digital thermostat on the wall. There's lighting above the bed. Oh yes. And you have individual lightings for reading on each side. Space for storage. Nice big TV. Little desk and chair area with a mirror. We have some extra bedding. Safe. Like you have a coffee machine and coffee. You have some water, and I need to check and make sure that water is complimentary. And we brought those are our Cokes, so I don't think you're gonna get any Cokes. Trash can. Have a sitting area over here, couch, a nice table, lamp. And we have a view of the atrium, but you can't actually go out there, it's locked. So we're in room 6010 with an atrium view.
And the thermostat.
Okay. So that is our room tour, room 6010, the Hyatt Regency Hotel International inside the airport. Also, there's vending and an ice machine on the same floor, like Pepsi products, and an ice machine. You also have a microwave and heat up stuff. That's a nice plus right here on the 6th floor. We're gonna keep going down this same hallway. There's a nice little sitting area here. All on the 6th floor. Also, there's a fitness center and pool this way. Fitness center. Stay fit. And here's the pool area. We'll find pool hours from 6 to 11 p.m. There's your runway in the background. Nice pool area. A little telephone booth. They got Chicago O'Hare, Atlanta, Singapore, Dubai, Tokyo, France, and Orlando.